Hey girls, it's Yolanda Renee again, and I'm here with an update on my Bantu knot out. If you watched my original tutorial, you should know that I use Cream of Nature's new Pure Honey collection, and these are the products that I used. For styling, I used the twisting cream as well as their setting lotion. Oh yeah, if you guys get the setting lotion and the leave-in, make sure you switch the caps. It makes so much more sense to have the spray nozzle on the liquid product and the more squirt bottle on the thicker product, which is the leave-in. Just a little tip for y'all. But at night, I did not use products again. I just sprayed water on the ends of my hair and just redid my Bantu knots. It's the next day, and I simply add oil to my fingertips and take down these Bantu knots, and the oil basically is to eliminate any frizz. From my first tutorial, I learned that I needed to switch some things up. One is, for the length of my hair, smaller sections work better. These sections are not super small, but they definitely are at least like half of the size I did previously, and as you can see, the curls came out completely different. They're tighter, they're smaller, which means, oh, okay, I'm just gonna bust out and do a makeup tutorial. Really, Yolanda? Really? Can we finish our hair now? Okay. So because I did them smaller, I didn't have to separate these sections as much, which means I don't have to mess with my hair as much, which means less frizz. This beat go hard a little bit, don't it? I'm rocking out doing these voiceovers. Lately, I've been really into using edge control to lay my edges down, and not even really my edges, it's that problem area I keep telling you guys about where there's no curl pattern and it messes up my whole style, so I'd rather just lay them down. Girl, when I saw this angle right here, I was like, yes, cut, come through. You guys know I haven't really been feeling my cut, even though I don't regret it because I needed it. Like, I so needed it. But I'm so not used to seeing myself with short hair. But I'm trying to own it. Yes, own it, girl. A lot of people have been mentioning that my hair has grown a lot. I personally don't think so. I think my hair still looks exactly the same as when I got it cut. And I'm not really happy with my growth. So I am taking some hair vitamins from Hairfinity. I haven't made an announcement yet, but I may do a video. It might be another series that I want to start on my channel. Let me know what you guys think about that and I'll film it. Anyway, that is the end of this video. This was not even planned, but I decided to film and I end up loving my style. That's how it always is. When you're not planning to do something dope, it just comes out dope. I I love my hair. You love yours? You better. Bye, you guys. Mwah.